The Agriculture Ministry is insisting that the vegetable glut on the market is not due to importation. The update was given at the Standing Finance Committee of Parliament looking at the budget for the next fiscal year. Details from Andrea Chisholm.
Hurricane Melissa caused about $36 billion in damage to Jamaica's agricultural sector. In the aftermath of the Category 5 storm in October 2025, markets were empty, vegetables were scarce, and prices skyrocketed. A little over 4 months later, a different story. There's a glut on the market. The opposition put the issue to the Agriculture Minister.
Are you saying that none of the glut on the market is due to importation?
None of the vegetable line gluts are due to importation. Absolutely not. No tomato, no lettuce, no cabbage, nothing like that. And even in relation to onions, it is not that excess has been imported why there is a glut on the market. That is not the case, right? So, and again, we can look and share the numbers. The numbers have been fairly consistent over the years. I will say on the onion side, as I have said, timing in terms of when the product lands may have been a little challenge.
Agriculture Minister Floyd Green went on to explain that the ministry continues to work with agro-processors and cold storage facilities to take advantage of the excess crops. Speaking of cold storage, the ministry is pushing towards solar-powered facilities. In December 2025, two 20-foot solar-powered cold storage systems were officially opened in Flagaman St. Elizabeth under the CARICOM AgriBoost project.
We're trying to see how it operates, if we can then replicate that model. The plan is this year to up that number, right? I think we've already identified about 12 production zones, right? And we will roll them out over the course of probably the next, ideally 2 years maximum.
In the meantime, there are also concerns that the importation of eggs is having an effect on the local market. The Agriculture Minister indicated that the local egg industry has not fully recovered from Hurricane Beryl in July 2024, but it's keeping in touch with the Egg Farmers Association.
So we're doing a process of assessment. Once the local market is able to satisfy our demand, then there will be no importation, right? Once that is the case, there will be no importation. But what we don't want is to go back to a place where retail stores are rationing how much eggs people can buy. Because again, eggs are very important protein in the diet of the Jamaican people.
For the upcoming fiscal year, the Agriculture Ministry will continue its strategic approach to the quality development of farm roads. 55 roads were completed in the last fiscal year. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.
Coming up in this newscast, Iran sees strikes every few hours as Trump demands Iran's unconditional surrender. Please stay with us. We'll be right back.